就是翻，所以就是翻得更惨一点。
The reception. I'm worn out. Gotta sleep.
There is still no news of 10-year-old Sean Mars, who disappeared yesterday. A recent report indicates that the police captured this as a kidnapping by the origami killer. If this information is confirmed, he may still be alive, as the previous victims.
Hello there, sweetheart. What can I do for you?
I'd like a room.
For you? Anything. Feeling the register.
啊，你娘！整整这礼拜真的做一个礼拜啊，好好腰啊，没了啊。
怪我。
干你！
Madison Page 27. Single. How long will you be staying with us, Ms. Page?
I don't know yet.
没啥，现在还到我们也不会骑多久。
Last floor, stairs on the right, in the courtyard.
Thanks.
The pleasure was all mine.
That's for sure.
我们的船长是条
That
龙。
obnoxious receptionist better not have a spare key to my room. The thought of it leaves me in a cold sweat. Room 201. Stairs on the right.
我已经搞不清楚这些人的原本定位是干嘛的。
我知道，除了这个女的是新人物啊，其他都。就我现在上面有警察、有那个侦探啊，还有鸡巴不知道叫医生还是什么头发的。
不知道这女的是在干嘛？是不是一开始被蹦蹦被扁的那个？
我不确定他是他老，好像不是他老婆，感觉长得像，应该就是新的人物。29。
Room 201. Stairs on the right. Last floor.
对，上层。
There's someone there. Is he wounded?
什么套人啊？哎，那就对上谁啊？
Maybe I should take a look.
谁受伤？哎，是医生吗？
这不是吧？哎，好像是哎。
Sir?
哦，是。
Are you all right?
干，那他就没有警察追他哈。
I'll call an ambulance.
No ambulance.
You're badly hurt. You need a doctor.
Please, just help me to my room. It's number 207.
他真莫名其妙的帮他的你。
就是他好人啊，就是美国以前最伟大的国家。
He's really out of it. What the hell happened to him? Have you got the key?
那个找到。
You're really in bad shape. You should see a doctor.
Must have one, maybe two broken ribs. It's not fatal. But it's sore as hell.
Your head is bleeding. It looks deep. I'll help him first and ask questions later. I should disinfect his cuts. Paracetamol painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain. Do not take more than 1 pill every 24 hours. I should disinfect his cuts. I'm gonna disinfect your wound. This might hurt a little.
凉凉的。
有点凉凉。这薄荷糖。这个半
There.
大号曼陀珠。
At least it won't get infected.
Thanks.
He's in trouble. I can't just walk away and leave him like that. Necophren 100 antibiotics. Administer to combat infection.
一个讲解。
但我还想来回试试哦。这样。
Here. Take this. It should do you some good.
What is it?
It's an antibiotic.
An antibiotic? I'm no doctor, but I don't think there's any risk of infection with a broken rib.
Okay, I'll see if I can find anything else.
啊，他头上那个不算伤口吗？
问就是你也不是医生啊，叫什么？
病情哎。
Paraphenol anti-fever. Administer only in cases of high fever.
但知道他大可以在我做那个指令拿之前，他直接写在上面，他直接写在那个画面的旁
Paracetamol
边呢。
painkiller. Administer in cases of intense pain. Do
不
not
要
take more than 1 pill every 24 hours.
还叫我一个个拿起来听他那个人机讲解。
Take this. It should do you some
What is it?
good. It's a painkiller. It'll help reduce the pain. It says on the box to take 1 every 24 hours. I don't think it's a good idea to exceed the dose.
看看那个。
I can't afford to wait.
我们巧克力在吃
I
啊
wouldn't。move around for a few days if I were you.
当小饼干的时候。
I'm gonna take a shower.
All right, let me help you.
一个好人呢。手抖。
I'll wait here until you come out. Let me know if you need anything.
啊，不是没时间了吗？还洗澡？门也不关好了，这样。
你可以看我的牛子。
偷看。
Talk to me. That way I'll know if you pass out.
What's your name?
你才看得到我的牛子。
好棒。
Madison.
Are you staying in the
他叫
hotel?
medicine，他的药。
No, I live in
你就知
town.
道为什么他要帮他擦药
I。suffer from chronic insomnia. I seem to only be able to sleep in motels. Don't ask me why. Whenever I get too exhausted, I come and spend a night here.
但他只有在某觉睡得着。
I'm just passing through. And what else do you do, Madison? Apart from fixing up strangers.
I'm a photographer. I take pictures of furniture for fashionable design magazines. And you?
I'm an architect.
快点好不好？超级该。
Thanks for staying. I feel a lot better now.
Okay. I better get going then.
没了，我拉个屎好了，
我
直接出门。
去解谜啊！靠
By
呀！
the way, you never told me your name.
Ethan.
救儿子，怎么搁这搞
Be
外遇？
careful, Ethan.
The box. I have to open another origami figure.
哦，我藏在床底下，我想起来了。超好的家伙！
啊，
这个办案呢，我操！